Does launching a boat at the ramp feel stressful and overwhelming? Between the size, the wind, and other boaters watching, it can get chaotic fast. But the truth is, launching a boat is actually simple when you do it the right way. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to launch a boat step by step, so you can stay in control, avoid common mistakes, and get on the water with confidence every time. I'm Ben Link, and welcome to Off the Dock University. The biggest mistake people make, trying to get ready while sitting on the ramp. Instead, use the staging area before you back down and get everything ready. Remove transom straps, load all of your gear, install the drain plug, turn on your battery switch, prime the fuel if needed. The goal? Be 100% ready before you even touch the ramp. This keeps things smooth and keeps you from holding up the line. Before backing down the ramp, make sure to check your engine trim. Trim the motor slightly up. This helps you avoid hitting the ramp, prevent dragging bottom, keep better alignment. Just don't trim it too high. You still want control once the boat is floating. Now you're ready to launch. Back down slowly and straight. No sudden movements. Take your time and stay controlled. Once the boat starts to float, put the vehicle in park and set the parking brake. Here's the key moment. Unhook the winch when the boat is ready to float free. Now, trim your engine back down and start your motor. Ensure that your boat is in neutral. Gently guide the boat off the trailer or give a slight reverse tap if needed. Because you prepped everything ahead of time, this step should be smooth and easy. As the boat comes off the trailer, secure it safely before moving your vehicle. Staying in control here prevents drifting, damage, or unnecessary stress. If you like this video and want to see more boating related content, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the water.